Personal information. My name is Enrique Álvarez Ramírez. I am 27 years old. I am from Valledupar, and I live in Valledupar with my girlfriend. I am chef and I am studying industrial engineer. My favorite sport is football, and I like to food with my family. My favorite TV show is The Simpsons. In my free time, listen to music. My family. There are 6 people in my family: my dad, my mom, my 3 sisters, and me. My sister Laura. She is 29 years old. She is architect. She lives in Bogota. She is short, her eyes are green, and she has purple hair. She loves the cats and reading. She is single. My second sister is Ivana. She lives in Valledupar. She is 14 years old. She is in the 7th grade. Her favorite sport is football. She is tall, her eyes are brown, and she has black hair. And my other sister is Isabella. She is 11 years old. She is nice. She is short. Her favorite sport is skate. My mom is a teacher. She is 40 years old. She lives in Valledupar. She is short and she has purple hair. She is pretty and friendly. She likes the dance and sing. My father is engineer. He lives in Cartagena. My dad is an excellent cook and he loves to travel.